So today I'm doing something different. I've never started a video in a garage before, but this is an extra special situation. We are at 694 Birdie Way in Incline Village on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, and I've got a very special townhome I'm going to show you today. And the reason I'm starting in the garage is because with this beautiful 1971 280 SE Mercedes here. And this Mercedes has been completely restored, and it was restored so well it scored a 99 out of a 100 in the Pebble Beach Concours Auto Show. And it even beat the Mercedes. Mercedes brought their own car they restored. This car won over the Mercedes car. So before we go upstairs to the house, since I'm in the garage, let me show you. We've got the trophy cases and everything from all the cars they've won. Beautiful, beautiful cabinetry here. The bathroom is gorgeous. It's blue as well with the awesome toilet in there. Because when you're working on a garage, it's nice to have a bathroom right there so you don't have to go in the house. So before we go in the house, let me introduce myself. My name is Tony Tuoto. I'm the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. If you're thinking about making the move to Lake Tahoe, go ahead and reach out, because every day I get phone calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you who are looking to make the move to Nevada, and they like to get some more information, and that's what I'm here for you. So go ahead and reach out and let me know you're interested, and I guarantee it'll be the best real estate experience you've ever had. So the outside of this house is very lovely. They've done a great job with the stonework, the rock work, flowers, it's beautiful. The driveways with pavers, and the driveway's heated. It's got a little bit of a slope to it, so just right for Tahoe. So if you get a little bit of snow in there, it'll drain off. It's great. You're gonna get good southern exposure here. I picked this time of day to be in the shade, but normally in the morning, you're getting really good sunshine coming up here. So let's come on and check out the house. It's a beautiful, lovely entrance with the rock work. And then they've got this gorgeous hot tub over here with all built-in tile around the wall. It's fantastic. We've got a beautiful entrance, as you see, with this beautiful door with the inlaid stained glass. Is fantastic. And on this floor, we've got the garage right here. So if you come in the garage, you can come right into the house. It's great. We've got the primary bedroom here, a little closet, and then stairs that go up to the great room. Let's go check it out. One of the fun things they did in the primary bedroom here is they've got a little desk area right off the bedroom. So if you like to work right as you get out of bed, you've got that option. But they have a beautiful sliding glass doors. These are Anderson E-Series sliding glass doors that go right out to the hot tub. And then they've got this beautiful rosewood bed. It's built in, it comes with the townhome. So awesome bed. And then they've got this gorgeous stained glass here that has a bunch of LED lights in the back that come on. You can program it to come on and mimic the sunrise. So if you like to get up with the sun like I do, I love that. And it'll keep your circadian rhythms going. Really neat. You can turn it off though. So if you have guests, you're staying up late, you don't want to get up with the sunrise, you can turn that off so you don't have to worry about that. But a beautiful primary bedroom. They've got the gorgeous bath right here, all Kohler faucets, Kohler rain valve, beautiful use of space in this for a townhome. This townhome is just under 2,400 square feet. They've done a beautiful job using space quite wisely, so it feels a lot bigger. So if you want a little heat, a little bit of romance, we've got the romantic fireplace here. That's still in the primary bedroom, the TV, and then this nice walk-in closet. A lot of room in here, I like it. So as we come up the stairs, we're on the second floor now. We've got a living room, great room over here, and this magnificent kitchen over here. So let's start with the kitchen first. We've got this beautiful dining room. So all the floors are cherry wood and they're fantastic. They look beautiful. I love cherry. It goes so well with so many things. And then they've got beautiful handmade maple Art Deco style cabinets. So these are solid cabinets with all the soft close. And then they've got second drawers in here. Let me show you that. And then the soft close, just a lovely house. Light, big island here. So if you're entertaining, be able to fit quite a few people in here comfortably. It's a nice kitchen. They've got Thermador, gigantic refrigerator with the matching Thermador oven. So in this little townhome, You have so much stuff to make your life super luxurious. I really love it. They did a great job. And of course, Tony's favorite, they've got windows looking out the backyard. So when you're doing dishes, you got something to look at, this beautiful backyard. Can't wait to show you that. But a fabulous kitchen with top of the line appliances, really well crafted. I remember it's similar to that Mercedes downstairs. They did a great job. So just off the kitchen, we've got this beautiful Mille Latte machine. We've got your wine cooler here, plenty of bottles in there for you and your friends. And then in here is your laundry room. We've got the Bosch compact washer and dryer, which is awesome, but it's also a pantry. So you can fit a week's worth of food in here. So if you've got friends coming to town, or there might be a big snowstorm coming, you want to stock up, you got plenty of room in here with solid maple cabinets. This is fantastic. So before we leave the kitchen area, we do have a half bath here, which is awesome. The same high quality as everything else in the house. They did a beautiful job with that. And we come around the corner, we've got a little bit of separation here, which I really like. A little bit of separation right here. And then we have the great room, which is awesome. So we have this hollowed out granite. If you look at this, you're like, God, there's gotta be like 3 tons of granite in there, right? How does this little townhome support all that? Well, they hollowed out the granite. So there's like 1/10 the weight that it should have. It's beautiful. They copied this from a painting or a picture from Architectural Digest that won first place. So the owner said, here, make this fireplace. So they had to haul everything out. So when you come in the great room, nice room for a great big TV. But if you notice, there's these beautiful sliders, the Anderson E-Series cherrywood sliders on each end. So you've got a nice draft coming through here in the summertime. And you've got easy access where you can open these sliders and make your living room that much bigger in the summertime. Isn't that gorgeous? Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that just pleasant? I love it. And if you look up these beams, there's actually a glue laminate beam, and they had an artist come in and paint it to make it look like it's solid wood. I mean, isn't that amazing? The attention to detail in this place is fantastic. So this great room is so large, I gotta do 2 shots. So here's the glue laminate I was talking about. This is painted. That's amazing. And then we've got room over here for a piano, and then another deck with beautiful sliders. So if you want to come out and enjoy this deck on the sunny side of the house, you can do that as well. So this is facing towards the lake now. Isn't this awesome? So now we're going to go upstairs, check out the 3rd bedroom, and I think you're going to love it. So we're on the top floor now, and normally you would think the top floor is a little bit warmer because heat rises, but in this situation, they've got air conditioners up here, which actually cool the whole house. So it's a 10,000 BTU air conditioner I'm going to show you. But they've got one nice big bedroom over here. They've got a full-size bath here, and then another bedroom that they're using as an office, but you could use that as a bedroom if you need 3 bedrooms, or if you wanted to have 2 bedrooms and an office, the way they're using it now. It's a great setup. So let's go check out this bedroom. So now we're standing in the 2nd bedroom. This is really good size. I mean, this is a king size bed here. We've got a nice closet there. We've got nice windows over there. And this 10,000 BTU air conditioner feels great, blasting on me right now. I don't know if you ever have to use the ceiling fan in this room, but it has one. But a nice, comfortable room, lots of light, southern facing windows over there. The lake's right over there. It should be awesome to sleep in. So this is the upstairs bathroom. It's pretty awesome. This is a Frank Lloyd Wright window. He signed it here. Pretty amazing to have that in your house. I love it. I've got the Tuoto toilet that when you get close to it, the lid raises and it wrenches. So it just did that, scared the bejesus out of me. Even though I knew it was there, it still did it. And then they have this beautiful tub. It's a Vibrasonic tub that works with your phone. You've got the Cooler Rain shower head, the Growy faucets, all top of the line stuff in this townhome. So if you're looking for first class, top of the line appointments, this is the place for you. So we're upstairs in the 3rd bedroom. They're using it as an office, which I think is pretty smart. So if you don't need the bedroom, you could use it as an office. It's a really good size office. They've got photos of all their champion cars up here and everything. It's great. It's air conditioned as well. ceiling fan, you've got good natural light coming in here. I think you'd be really comfortable whether you're working or using this as a bedroom. It's a great, great room. You know how Tahoe Tony loves the outdoors, because the summertime in Tahoe is perfect out here right now. And they've done a great job with this. Some of the challenges, I say, if you get a townhome is you don't have a place for your dog because everything outside your door is common area. But the homeowners here have all agreed to give everybody their space. So you've got fence yard out here, and not just fence yard, but it's a beautiful fence yard. But before we get to that, let's check this area out, because this is awesome. So this area is probably half the size of the great room. So think of getting, in the summertime, another 50% of your great room for outdoor entertainment. It's great. They've got the shade here. They've got a table with the Lazy Susan, so you can just spin the food around. I love that. Got a barbecue over here, so if you want a barbecue, it's right there coming off the kitchen. Perfect. And then if you just want to hang out in the yard and relax, you can read a book or just meditate or hang out or play with your dog, whatever. It's just gorgeous out there. It's a really good size. It's not so big that it's overwhelming, but it's big enough you've got your own little oasis out here. I love it. I hope you've enjoyed this video of this lovely townhome right in Incline Village. We're on Birdie Street. The beaches are like 6 minutes away. The mountain golf course is right there. The championship golf course is just down the street a little bit. It's a great location, a little bit higher up on the hill. So if you've seen my snow video, this is in the middle, to the higher end in the middle, as far as how much snow they're gonna get. But like I said, you got a heated driveway. It's great, it's beautiful. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be the first one notified when we put out another video about living in Tahoe with a great lifestyle. Tahoe Tony signing off. I'll see you on the next time. Thank you.